Hello, my name is Peter Nick. I'm standing here at the slopes of the Kaiserstuhl in the very southwest of Germany near the French border. And I'm now in the process of pruning our vineyard, a work which has to be done in this season, although it's still cold and a bit windy. And this work has been done here for more than 2000 years because viticulture has been brought to this region by the Romans. And since then, our landscape here has been shaped by viticulture. This project, which investigates the genomic history of grapevine, has helped us to understand how the German varieties arose and what gene flow has been shaping the evolution of the European wild grape. We have learned, for instance, that genes coming as far as Azerbaijan have been entering the gene pool of our European wild grapes and of our varieties, which was a big surprise. So these genes have traveled along that what's nowadays the Silk Road. And so basically one can say the Silk Road has been a wine road before it became a Silk Road. And yeah, this project also is not only important for the understanding the history of grapevine, it's also relevant to shape the future of viticulture, because these genomes help us to identify genes of resilience in the wild grapes that can help to adjust our viticulture to the challenges of global climate change. For instance, we have found in the German wild gene pool genes that help to render grapevines resilient to heat stress or to drought stress. And now we can try to introgress them into commercial varieties so that also our children and grandchildren can live in this landscape and drink the wine. This project has not only brought together genes from all over Eurasia, it has also brought together scientists from all over the continents, and all of them have cooperated to find out about the evolution of viticulture and grapevine. And this is an aspect I like very much because it shows that grapevine, which always has been a plant that has united people across borders of religion, language and culture, is still active in bringing scientists together all over the borders. And it demonstrates that cooperation has always been the best mean to advance science, cooperation rather than competition.